Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a handy feature in Power BI that can really streamline your workflow. We are going to explore how to add these panes to the right side of Power BI so that you can access them quickly and save your valuable time. Let's get started. First, let's open the File menu. Here click on Options and Setting at the bottom left corner. Then select Options. Now look for preview features. Here you will find on object interaction option. If it is disabled, go ahead and enable it. Once you have done that, click OK and restart Power BI. After restarting, you will see the panes appear on the right side of Power BI, making it much easier to work efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Power BI tips.